Live from Xenia, Ohio, it's Dayton Hamvention. Second stop on the second annual Ham Shack TV Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Stick around. Okay, back here at Hamvention, Xenia, Ohio, 2026. Figured we'd take a moment and check out the Kenwood booth and see what all Kenwood has to offer. Go ahead and get started here. This is the TS890. This is a big boy right here. Here's their desk mic, the MC100. I said 990, I think. I meant 890. That's an 890. Here's the 990. Dual displays, dual band. I really like the way that turns. It turns really nicely. So the A band and your B band right here. Really great radio. You're talking a lot of money. We'll slide back around over here.
You're already going to run a cable.
Still under glass.
Oh yeah, I've been waiting to buy it. It's a Cat 6 cable. Cat 6 cable in a barrel connector. That's what I do right now.
All right, so that's a look at Kenwood. Again, nothing new out. I'd love to have one of those big HF radios, but that's some money, let me tell you. Guaranteed. If you are interested, check them out. But more information here from Dayton, Ohio, 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.